Hey, Zach here with GSMS. If you have one of our newest Lennox heating and cooling systems, you might occasionally see an alert or an error code on your thermostat that's shutting your system down. These new systems use what we call an A2L refrigerant, which is much better for the environment. But because of this, they feature highly sensitive built-in safety sensors. While it's great for your home safety, sometimes they can trigger what we call a nuisance code or a false alarm that temporarily locks your system out. Before we send a service specialist out to your home, there's a very simple way you can reset the system yourself in just a few minutes. Here's how to power cycle your system. Step 1, go to your thermostat and turn your system completely off. Step 2, head over to your home's main electrical panel. Step 3, find the breaker labeled for your HVAC system, furnace, or heat pump, and flip it to the off position. Step 4, and this is the most important part, wait at least 5 full minutes. This gives the system's computer board enough time to completely drain its power and clear out the false alarm. Step 5, flip the breaker back to the on position, walk back to your thermostat, and turn your system back on. In most cases, this will clear the nuisance code and get your home comfortable again immediately. Of course, if the code comes back, that means the system is doing its job and needs to have a professional set of eyes. So if that continues to happen, please reach out to our team at 603-424-8258 or connect with us online at gsmsnh.com, and our team of specialists will get right out and take care of you. As always, make it a granite day.